Good morning all. Very happy to connect with you all after a long time. Hope you and your family members are all fine. From today onwards we are going to learn the new topics. So today in English you are going to learn about minutes of meeting. Minutes of meeting is a very important technical form of writing. Essentially it is a documentation work. Come on students, let us learn about minutes of meeting. First you should know what is minutes of meeting. It is nothing but a record of what happened in the meeting. In work environment, conducting meeting is a mandatory one. Organizations often conduct meeting to take important decision. So after completing the meeting, the important points have to be documented. Otherwise, they are likely to be forgotten. Hence, meeting minutes are very important. Students, it is nothing but a formal written record of a meeting when the higher officials, the managing director or the chairman of the particular organization conducts a meeting. They want to record what they are discussing in the meeting. So it's a formal written record. It's a written form of communication. So again, summarizes the important decisions taken at the meeting. So they ask for the suggestions from their employees, and when they come across the decisions, important decisions, and they want to summarize it. So it's very important to take notes when we are attending the meeting and keep track of progress made on particular projects and proposals. Usually what they will do is when they conduct the meeting, they will review the previous minutes of meeting to take the track of progress made on the particular projects or proposals. So minutes of meeting, when you go for a work, you may come across lots of meeting, and if you are the person, the MOM person we call it, that is one who is taking minutes of meeting, a particular person, the company will give the responsibility for the particular person, and they will be doing this work. So as a student, you should know how to take minutes. So it will be helpful when you go for a work. So another important aspect is they want to inform the minutes of meeting to the absent members. So when they conduct a meeting, we cannot expect all the members are present in the particular meeting. If somebody is absent in the meeting, and if the company wants to inform the important decisions or the suggestions taken in the meeting, so this minutes of meeting is highly helpful. So the main purpose is informs absent members about decisions arrived at or action taken, and also bring new members up to date. If somebody is newly joined in the company, and if they want to make the new person to know about their company, it is very easy for them. They circulate the minutes of meeting, and when they go through the minutes of meeting, they can easily understand the rules and regulations of the company and what already they had done in the organization. Everything is very easy. So in that form also, minutes of meeting helps the organization to run in a smooth manner. So there are two types of minutes of meeting, narrative minutes and decision minutes. In further slides, I will explain you in detail what is narrative minutes and what is decision minutes. So narrative minutes are not suggested usually, because we feel very boring if the minutes of meeting is too narrative. Narrative form of technical writing is suggested for storytelling and story writing, not for minutes of meeting. So needlessly detailed. When you have lots of details in the minutes of meeting, we feel bored. So very tedious also. You feel tired when you read lots of content. So narrative minutes is not advisable to follow when you are taking minutes in a meeting. So decision minutes are highly recommended to follow while you are taking minutes of meeting, because decision minutes are very sharp and clear, and it concentrates only on the issues discussed, not the persons. So the details are very clear, and you can easily understand when you have a decision type of minutes of meeting. And also these type of decision minutes are to the point than the narrative ones, and it is more relevant to the topic, that is a core topic. It is more relevant to the core topic. So go for decision type of taking minutes. So now you are going to learn writing up the minutes, how we have to write minutes of meeting. So when you are attending a meeting and you are the person who is going to take minutes, it is advisable to go through the notes immediately after the meeting. You have to go through the notes immediately after the meeting, and you have to edit the notes. You need not enter all the details and all the points in your minutes. You can edit the notes. Important points alone you can include in the minutes, and be sure that it is easy to read and understand. and everything which had been jotted down. Everything should be listed in a proper manner, and verify again and again whether the details are easy to understand for everybody. And don't take too long to type out the minutes. Do not go for the long phrases or sentences. Instead, use short phrases and sentences. That is highly recommended while we are writing minutes. So language, style and tone to be used. Already students, we had discussed a formal way of writing, technical way of writing. The language, style and tone is very important when you are documenting work. So go for past tense, especially go for past tense when you are writing minutes. And then follow simple and impersonal style. Don't go for complex sentences and need not use very tough vocabulary when you are doing minutes in a meeting. So go for a simple words and include only the essential part, include only the important and essential aspects happened in the particular meeting. And already I told you, use short sentences and paragraphs when you are taking minutes. Yes, students, each item should be numbered in a proper manner and avoid personal opinion. For example, if you are the responsible person to take minutes, you need not give your own opinion or suggestions in the minutes. What happened in the meeting, actual facts you have to include in the minutes. No, not any personal opinion should be included in the minutes. So in this slide we are going to learn about how to prepare minutes of meeting. First, make an outline. You have to make an outline. Understand the agenda of the meeting. What is the main purpose of conducting this meeting? There will be a core point or the content in all type of meeting. So understand that and make an outline and refer the agenda. Agenda is very important in minutes of meeting. So before starting the meeting, you have to understand what is the agenda. For example, in our college, correspondence are always conducts meeting for academic results or cultural programs. So you have to understand what is the agenda of the meeting. If it is a result analysis meeting, you have to go for in-depth details about the particular area. So refer the agenda and then number the items 1, 2, 3. You have to number the important items. Prepare a list of expected attendees. This is very important. You have to get signed signature from the person, those who are all attending your meeting. So that format to be included in the minutes of meeting, and make notes during the meeting. So in this section, I just suggest you to go for using technology. You can take a tab or iPod or mobile phone to record the meeting. It's very easy. Instead of taking a note and writing minutes, once you record the meeting, you can sit somewhere silently and you can listen again and again, and you can go for the important points. This is the best method to record the meeting minutes, write the meeting minutes. So after writing the minutes of meeting, go through the notes immediately after the meeting. Edit the notes. Again and again I am telling you, edit the notes and use short phrases and sentences, simple type of sentences. Don't go for complex or long sentences. You may commit lots of mistakes when you go for long sentences. So an important section that you should know, minutes format in an examination. What is the format you have to follow when you are writing minutes of meeting? So the format is heading. First you have to give the heading, and then type of meeting, what type of meeting it is you have to mention, and then the purpose of meeting. What is the purpose of meeting, whether it is academic purpose or a budget proposal or a project proposal. So what is the purpose of organizing the meeting, and name of the organization. So you have to clearly mention the name of the organization and the chairperson who is going to conduct the meeting. Everything you have to mention in that area, and date, time and venue. This is very important. You have to mention the date, exact time and the venue, and then the main part, that is summary of the meeting, and then finally you can give a clue about the proposed date, time and venue of the next meeting. That's also very important. So students, I hope you understand the concept of writing minutes of meeting. It's a part B question and it comes for 16 marks in your Rana University examination. So you need not learn minutes of meeting only for examination purpose, but it's very important and essential part when you go for work. So kindly go through again all these slides, and I'll send you a format, minutes of meeting format. Go through that format also, and making use of that format, you prepare your own format for minutes of meeting. And I hope you understand very well about this video module, and wish you all the best. Thank you students. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you all.